I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm not done. Break it down. Break it down. Break it down. Break it down. Where did we stop? He came by Idemili North and South. Go round of Africa. Brother Felix Amechi Oboa to please speak directly to the Honorable Minister. Go Onega, Eklamuno. You know, I like celebration. I like dancing. Right now, let's stand up, shovel our leg, as I call Harrison to give me a music. Let me dance and welcome my leader. I don't just want to stand. I want to show him my dancing step. That as I'm watching him dance, that I've learned another dancing step, a combination of what our leader is doing. In the local governments I've traveled, let it show what I'm made up of. The new dancing style. Because after now, our leader will talk to us. If you are sitting down, please, can you stand up? Let us see after the reggae.
Let's go. Everybody sing. After the reggae, play the blues. Come on. Make you do as I do. See, enjoy yourself, baby. Hey, even your boo get a boo. Sing it. I say, shady girl, I shady booze. I say, everybody wanna groove. As far as say we get a pay, and people chop champagne, oh. Baba see bad though, them the boo, It doesn't now make a cheat the boo. Master, see money for floor like swimming pool. He dey give me wings like a Red Bull. Sing it. Anything you want to make I do. I no be tiger battery my boo. I'm on for people. Oh yeah now, our master. Oh, sing it for me. We the card oh. If your body touch your mortgage, she go get belly. Jesus, sing it. After the reggae, play the blues. Oh, make you do as I do. Enjoy yourself, baby boo. Cause even your boo get a boo. Sing it, shady gala, shady booze. Hey, everybody wanna groove. I say, as far as say we get the pay, my people oh pop champagne. Ladies call me talk and do. I talk. I know they for cock and boo. Oh yeah, dance my reggae, dance my blues. Hey, that turn by turn life they do. Eba, oh yeah, my madam. Hey, 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 make some noise. After the reggae, play the blues. Make you do as I do. Enjoy yourself, baby boo. Cause even your boo get a boo. Oh, shady gala, shady boo. I say everybody wanna groove. As far as say on the pay, people pop champagne, oh. Make some noise!
I want to announce the best dancer of the year, Brother Felix Amechi Oboa. Please clap for me, clap for me, clap for me. His Excellency, my leader, my boss, Chief Barrister Nyesom Ezewonwike, the leader of the Elder Council, River State, my father, Chief Anabraba. I want to recognize all the entourage of my leader, my master, the leaders of our political leaders in Onega, the Renewed Hope family in Onega, our performing women, oh yeah! The articulate and the powerful youth bodies. Youth, oh yeah! The entertainers, the cultural group, the boucle and all. Eklamuno! Well, I don't intend to waste your time. His Excellency, sir, I am your product. Our leaders have expressed the minds of these people here gathered. You have done so much for us that I cannot tell it all. But the only word I have for you today is to say, you are a divine project. You are a divine project. And Onega people will never, never be ungrateful, and they can never abandon your cause. In this area today, we no longer speak about party. We only speak about renewed hope. The only party we have in Onega is Wike. Where you go, Onega people will go. Where you charge us is what we do. We don't have any regret. I don't need to say, just like my chairman have a low eyes, and say all you have done for him. What about me? I was a village man, very good Omok man, a fisherman in that matter, a good farmer. I went to Port Harcourt, courtesy of you. I was not only a tenant, I became a landlord. As if that was not enough, I never had any property, anything to talk about Abuja. I was comfortable in Omok. Not until this man took me to Port Harcourt and made me a landlord, not a tenant. And he took me again to Abuja. As I speak to you now, I am the coordinator, Abuja Metropolitan Management Council. That language is too big. I am the city manager. I see that's not enough. I went to Abuja. I was sitting and sleeping in the same flat with this man. By the time he was now going back, Ndembasi.
Hello.
I can tell you that Onega people, as they come to Abuja, at least they have a place to come and stay. No longer paying house rentage, no longer say where are we going to go. They can come to my house and feel comfortable and eat. Courtesy of Chief Baisanyesom Ezewanwike. The one that gladdens me most, that I cannot hide it here. When was my birthday? When was my birthday? On the 16th December this year. Last year. The same man I'm talking about, because people hide so many things, I doesn't hide my own. You know that? He blessed me. And I have a document bearing 16 December 2025 as my birthday gift. Courtesy Chief Baisanyesom. I'm indeed very grateful. How will I start? When will I end? My dear family, all my supporters, all our followers in Onega is appreciative of what you have done. We're not unmindful of the challenges, attacks from left, right, and center. That's why I said you are a divine project. You are a child of. Hello? Hello? Nobody can stop you. Nobody can stop you. I'm happy with what Nnam have said. Many people have not realized Dan Wike is a straightforward man. He does not promise and fail. All the whole thing he has said to our people, I can assure you here today, I'm a living testimony, he has fulfilled all. Don't go and gossip where he is. As you are there talking, he will immediately call the person and say, come on, look at what this person is saying about you. He's a straightforward person. He has built bridges. We are happy with him. We use him and pass road. So on behalf of Onega people, we say, carry go. Your people shall be our people. Your order will be our command. Anything you tell us, we will do. I'm happy that today, how many day? How many day? Those people used to give us more headache. Senator Wisinaki. Have you heard from him? How many remain? Now all of us are together. Will anybody make Will anybody make His Excellency, we are complete in Onega. All of us are complete. Don't ever think otherwise. We don't have anybody that can give us headache. From Undoni, Ebema, Usomini, Omok, Iburu, Egi, Strangers Element, all of them are fully in support of what we are doing, and we are charging you to go ahead. Just give us the command and we'll carry on. And I want to use this forum to say we don't intend to waste your time. Go to other areas and tell them thank you. I've already told them thank you on your behalf. But as a Oliver Twist, we'll come invite you. We'll invite you to come and speak to our people. Before you come, where is Choma Jesus? Everybody stand up on your feet as we dance to Choma Jesus, as we go with the leaders to welcome our father, our leader, our mentor, Chief Barrister. Yes, is the one. Let's welcome.
Elena Maria, Elena Maria, oh, Elena Maria, Elena Maria, Elena Maria, oh, Elena Maria, Elena Maria,
Oba Ebema Ndo Kelemuno Madi our dear leaders, as far as this local government is concerned, starting from Brother Felix Obua, Senator Wilson Ake, the two assembly members, Shadow and the chairman of council, my dear brother Kachi, and all of you. You may not know what you've done today, what you've shown today. Yes, I've never bothered about Ohanaeze, but what you've done today is to show the unity, the strength in you, and that will take you to places. Like Brother Felix Obua said before, we used to have some problems, but today, all of them are working together, which means Ohanaeze is a no-go area. Let me just say something. Somebody said the dog barking. This dog that is barking now barked when Rivers people do not even know whom the person was. And the dog that barked made the person to be governor. Others ran away. And he's not afraid that the same dog now is barking. I wish him good luck. I wish him good luck. We are not talking about party. We are talking about the Need Hope family. All of us, we have all decided that we are going to work for Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. There's no discussion about that. But there's one we must take decision. Of course, you know, we will make the mistake we made last time. We are here to correct the mistake. I heard somebody said, oh, those who work with Atiku are back. They couldn't give Atiku 10%. So what is the political advantage? I won't call their names, but you all know them. We will do all we can to see that we give Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu all the total support that we require. Ordinarily, I wouldn't have bothered myself to say this. Somebody who was a senator said the Minister of FCT is a semi-illiterate. But the same person dropped out from Rivers State University when he wanted to read, when he was reading law. He couldn't make it. Because he couldn't make it. I went to University of Port Harcourt, finished, went to the same university that I dropped, and read law. I went to law school, came back, and today I'm a life bencher. The semi-illiterate has the 4th highest award. After the GCFR, you have GCON. After the GCON, you have the CFR. After the CFR, you have the CON.
which is what I have. That same man does not have one. That same man contested for chairmanship of Obiabo and failed. He sabotaged the party, and the party lost at the tribunal. Frank Oho, you remember? But I contested and I won 2 times. And I can show people what I did when I was chairman. I can show people what I did when I was Minister of State Education before I became supervising minister. And when I came as governor in 2015, the same person was running around me. I was signing contracts. Semi-literate was signing a contract. For 8 years, by the grace of God today at the Ministry of FCT, anybody can go and see the records. So, in politics, when they cannot do what you are doing, they begin to say all kinds of things. So you don't need to bother yourself. The governor of Manchester said, I'm the one who masterminded or who's masterminding. He forgot that in 2016, he faced EFCC. EFCC prosecuted him in court. Was I the one then? He got law that is not in prison today because of immunity as a governor. How come now you are having the same problem? You are not saying it was me that is masterminding. This wicked self, it to get power. It to get power. So I have told everybody what I came for is thank you. I said the first 4 days of this new year, I will come to Rush. Yesterday I was in Abuodua. Today I'm in Obama. On Sunday, I'll be in the Ahoda West. Because this is my in-laws area. And I know that they will never abandon me. So, Ewo has said what he has said here. The same person who shot Nebis was one who sponsored them to go to the Fair Ibadan Convention. And they said they have constituted a caretaker committee. All of them nominated names for the so-called caretaker committee. Now, but the convention has failed. They have no other place to run to. Other than on your mandate will start. We have taken this position long time ago. So it doesn't make sense to us. We have done this. Money is not everything. Yes, money is important. Remember, there was a governor in this state. I was a minister then when I wanted to run for governorship. The governor at that time believed that money can solve all the problems. So these people should know that the Rainbow Coalition, when it starts, it will be difficult for them. Money cannot solve the problem. I thank Brother Felix Obua for his leadership. You see, there are people in life that are very consistent. Anything that you would know. But some people, you wouldn't even know the area they are going to. Ewo has said, as a leader, tell people what you discussed when you went for mediation. Tell them. If you play well the first one, you succeeded. You think again, you can succeed in the second one. There cannot be 2 markets in one day. So, whoever that is assuring you that when you shout on your mandate, that gives you ticket. Far. It's not correct. It's not correct. I thank you support he gave us throughout this period, throughout the turbulent period. I thank God we have taken back our council. Are you not happy for that? Somebody who cannot relate with even council chairman. Somebody who cannot even discuss with assembly members. Somebody who cannot sit down and discuss with National Assembly members. What kind of leadership do you want to provide? What kind of leadership? So, our mothers, I thank you the way you dressed gorgeously and came out. I thank you. Obobema, thank all of you. We don't take your support for granted. We'll continue to identify with you. We'll continue to work with you. If we have problems, we'll come back to you. But I know we don't have problems. Thank you.
Yo, agreement is agreement, yo. Agreement is agreement, yo. In anything for settlement, you can't determine us. Agreement is agreement. Agreement is agreement, yo. Agreement is agreement, yo. In anything for settlement, you can't determine us. Agreement is agreement, yo. We are going down. Now we go follow. Cha. Yes, so we go follow. Cha. Now we go follow. Cha.